Oh, hey, Anna.
Hey guys, you excited to fish? Joby?
Yeah.
Are you sure? George, are you ready to catch a big one?
Coordinated father.
You ready to catch some humpies?
Some of that fish we caught last week, smoked, we get to try.
Just it.
Good.
People who are snobby about beer.
Same thing.
Well, Jordan makes fun of me for liking Michelob Ultra.
I do like Budweiser.
Johnny likes Michelob too, and I make fun of him. So.
Well, Anna's like, oh, Michelob is so good. I'm like, what are you talking about? It's freaking Michelob Ultra. That guy.
And Grandma's here too. Hi, Grandma. Catch any?
Where they at?
3. We kept 3.
We caught like 43.
Just a little farm girl. Hi, Harley.
What did you bring that for? Aren't you gonna
You're
fish?
messed up.
Nah.
She's just gonna film.
Guys, look, there's a dead fish.
You don't use pressure. You just use the
We got the net. We got the net. We got the net.
water bath.
Oh, okay.
Cover them with water.
Hold on. Stop.
Yeah, I still want it.
It's real easy.
I learn better with people showing me.
There we go.
Oh, nice. Joby's gonna net it.
Okay, stop for a second. I'll back up, let him net it. Okay, reel it up a little more. Ready, Joby? Ready to go? Here we go. Get net her, Joby. Oh, you missed. Come on, Joby.
All right, got it.
Papa, is that a salmon?
I was throwing all my body English into that. I
You want those dark ones?
Yeah, this one's fine.
Well, if you smoke it,
Smoke,
it's...
no big deal, yeah.
I'm gonna get the hook out and then I can.
Hank, you gotta get the head.
Okay.
Here, drop the net down, Joby.
There you go. Not very far up.
Oh my gosh.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
Okay.
That's it. Done.
One more.
It's over with.
One more for good measure.
Let's get hectic, let's get crazy. I'm just chilling, it don't faze me. Got that energy. I said I'm just being me.
No, a hen is a girl and a buck is a male. You get those all over.
I've been at this a long time.
I wonder if we're gonna get that big shark. Shark? Yeah, snowflake.
Pinkel is Einhorn.
Einhorn is Sprinkle.
And when you work hard, we got that blue collar work ethic. We got that blue
Let me
collar
see the tip of that. Hank, you're hung up. You're all screwed up there. Let me see the tip of it.
crazy. I'm just chilling.
Here, let me see that. Let me see that, Hank. You're messed up around the end of your pole, Hank.
George. Just threw a lure in.
Oh, I think that one was messed up.
Oh, okay.
At least it wasn't a beer.
Big old humpy right there at the dock. See him? It's pulling somebody's lure in just right now. Yep, there you
The
go.
one George just
Jig off the side. There you go, Joey. Ready to get your lines out of the way. Reel it, Jake.
Oh, that's a big one.
Your cooler's at the top of the
Thank you for being smart up.
I didn't have any ice. I thought it did. Watch out for the lure, Jack. Jack, this is where you gotta be careful. Is it male or female? Male.
get the head.
It's for the smoker. I was asking the question for the kids. Oh, sorry. I don't know if you got a lure left. You just bashed the heck out of it.
Nice, Jack.
Come here.
Come here, sweetie.
Who's heavy?
Yeah, I'm not. They crossed their.
Oh,
They get hung up like that real close.
I'm touching the eye. Dad, can I try and hold him? Mm-hmm. On your head.
Oh gosh. You guys don't lose him.
Lose him.
What is that, George?
What is that?
Oh, yeah.
You under a lure, Jack?
No.
To run in place, be chased by what's inside. Can find by
Up on a log.
deep and wide.
Let's look if there's an alligator.
Wasted days and faded grays subside.
Dad, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Bobby. Bobby.
Anna, you don't even look pregnant from behind. I hate you.
Which I mean,
You look tiny.
We never use the RV anyway. I got that one from Grandma. It's got it all kitted out. The whole
Hey, I told you, you don't smack my butt.
Only Dad's getting.
Yeah.
perfect for you and the kid.
Huh?
yeah, when you get married, you can spank your wife's
You
butt.
find a nice lady.
And you know what? You just made me lose the fish. I just got a bite.
Oh, he's big. Oh, that is a fish.
Hold him up, Joey. Hold him up, pull him. Step back a little bit.
Oh. Hey, Joby. Right there. Oh, grab him. No. Got him.
All right, Joey.
No, Jack, you have to get the. You gotta
Secrets deep and wide. My crimes will all dissolve into the brine.
Dad, can I?
Oh, you got the log.
That's what I get for looking that
And
way.
Tony said, look out for her.
Right over top of it.
Hey, at least I got it so I can bring it in and get it out of her.
Thanks, Jordan.
Doing my duty.
Just cleaning up the river. One stick at a time.
Just where the wind blows, and I'll escape my ghosts, or I'll be swallowed whole. I'll go just where the wind blows, and I'll escape my ghosts, or I'll be swallowed whole. I'll go just where the wind blows, and I'll escape my ghosts, or I'll
I'll go wrong there.
June, what are you eating?
Well, at least you got
A
something.
hamburger.
No,
A hot dog.
a corn dog.
Corn dog.
Okay, Joby, so were you the only one to catch a fish while we were gone? Awesome.
You're getting food fish.
Okay, so Johnny caught how many?
I ain't catching
Jack caught one and Joby caught one. And then Hank, did you catch any? No? Okay. Jordan, did you catch any?
I did not.
June? No.
You catch a fish?
No.
Hey, June, did you have fun in the office?
Mm-hmm.
Right there?
No, my mom's more of an Angela.
Oh,
She totally is.
everybody sit down. I don't want to see that all.
Oscar.
Oscar.
You don't know about jail? You would love jail. We're all homos. Homo sapiens. June.
Hold it
this.
Look at this
didn't
fish
you?
caught.
You did catch
Here,
one.
let Joey hold. Here, Hank.
There we go.
Count 'em, boys.
One. There's actually 6. There's actually 6 because there's one in there.
You're just getting those
Hey,
fishes
Joey.
all over your legs.
What are they doing? What did it
You're gonna go up there. You're gonna go with? Okay, Hank's got the cooler. June, careful, careful, careful.
Yep, go with Dad.